one silica gel packet inside my snack. Interesting. But should I throw away silica gel? What is a silica gel, by the way? Silica gel is an amorphous and porous form of silicon dioxide. Silica gels are used to keep moisture and thus mold, damage, odors, and staining away from sensitive items. It's also the reason why you find them in so many packages. You can rescue a wet cell phone, maintain razor blades, store all your shaving blades in a jar and put a silicone gel packet in it, prevent your silverware from getting tarnished, etc., etc. So the next time you'll encounter another silica gel packets, you may consider not throwing them away, but instead reuse them.